Hello, our viewers from all over the world. Thank you for watching our lessons from Qadri College Online. Remember, this is one of the best channels to learn Somali and English at the same time. Tonight, we have a lesson about 5 animals and their names in Somali. Number one is lion, is called libah in Somali. Lion, libah. Number two, elephant, marudi. Three, giraffe, giri, giraffe, giri. Number four, camel, gale. Number four, camel. We call it gale in Somali. Number five, cheetah. Cheetah, we call it haramat in Somali. Number one, lion. We call it libah in Somali. Lion, libah. Number two, elephant, marudi. Elephant, marudi. Elephant, marudi. Number three, giraffe, giri. Giraffe, giri. Giraffe, giri. Number four, camel, gale. Camel, gale. Camel, we call it gale in Somali. Number five, we have cheetah. What do you call cheetah in your language? In Somali, cheetah is called haramat. Cheetah is called haramat. Remember, our viewers, remember to subscribe for the page and keep connected to our page. Thank you for the lesson.